Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your Legion 171 Pro. First, restart the device to reset the battery sensor by pressing power and volume up, then tap restart. The device is restarting and the issue should be fixed. If not, here's the next step. After restart, go to Settings, then Battery, and make sure battery percentage is enabled. If it's still not working, download a widget like Widget Reborn by Thomas Hubelek from the Play Store. It's simple, reliable, and only 15 MB. Open the app, click Start automatically, Consent, then go to the main screen, hold your finger, select Widgets, and choose the app widget. Press the check mark and the widget will appear. If you still don't see the percentage, visit an authorized service center as the battery sensor might be faulty. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.